Miracle RepaiRx Protective Leave-In Conditioner adds definition while replenishing moisture to hair, restoring softness and shine. This intense conditioner uses black castor oil and biotin to treat hair, reducing split ends and promoting hair growth. Our Miracle RepaiRx Leave-In Conditioner is a lightweight formula with no build-up that leaves hair feeling soft and manageable. It penetrates hair's cuticle to allow for thorough conditioning. The Miracle collection is focused on preventing hair breakage, and repairing and restoring strength to damaged hair, which has been compromised due to excessive styling, weaves and extensions, heat, color, or environmental factors. Our Miracle RepaiRx is the perfect combination of products and ingredients to assist the hair in restoring to its optimal state. This line aids in repairing dry, color-damaged as well as heat-damaged hair and works perfectly with protective styling. Black castor oil and biotin promotes growth and length retention. Black, women-owned. Our team at tgin is 96% women and 100% black-owned. Our products do not contain sulfates, parabens, petrolatum, lanolin, artificial colors, and we do not test on animals. Miracle RepaiRx Protective Leave-In Conditioner adds definition while replenishing moisture to hair, restoring softness and shine. This intense conditioner uses black castor oil and biotin to treat hair, reducing split ends and promoting hair growth. Top reviews from the United States. First timer. New to being natural and I love it. My hair has never been softer or more manageable.